Good morning, everyone. So today is April the 7th, and unfortunately, today is gonna be the day we're moving out of our resort. Those of you that have seen the previous videos, you'll see that we've been in a really awesome place where we're able to chill in the pool with an amazing view of the sea. Today we're gonna have to move, mainly because of the financial reasons, just like a lot of people in the world right now. Our finances are a bit low, so we thought it would be a better idea to move to a house, and there we can cook our own food and stuff, and it should be a lot cheaper. So that's what we're going to be doing. So right now I think it's around 10:30. We're just packing all our stuff. Don't think our next place is going to be this comfortable, but yeah, hopefully it's a good idea. So this is gonna be our last breakfast with delightful travelers for hopefully not too long.
Hopefully one more week. That'd be nice.
Yeah, I hope so. So you guys are gonna be staying here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to unfollow you on Instagram and YouTube to not be jealous now.
No, we'll have to just FaceTime each other and hang out. Or Zoom like everybody else is doing.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can hang out virtually. Are you gonna miss us though?
We are gonna miss you guys, but if it's just a
That'd be
week,
weird.
we'll manage. Cause yeah, we've been with you guys now for what, about 3 weeks.
3 weeks and it feels like months.
It feels like months.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure we can get together once it's all over.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We'll come wave to you.
Yeah.
From, what is it, 2 meters?
Yeah, 2 meters away.
2 meters.
You can wave to us.
So there's a new rule here that we must use masks whenever we go out. So that's why we're putting these masks.
Yeah. So back to backpacker mode again. Ready?
Not really, but we have to.
Not really, right?
Yeah.
No more view like this. Was good while it lasted. So we're on our way now. Luckily the place is only like a minute walk away, it's so close. We wanted to stay in this neighborhood, Kalan, because we really like it here. It's a very relaxing place, not noisy at all, no cars or anything. So yeah, we tried to make sure we were going to stick around here either way. And we'll probably see the delightful travelers a bit anyway. They'll be passing by the road that we're on to get to the store and stuff, so we're still very close. I haven't really shown you anything of the neighborhood, so it's kind of like a authentic Filipino village. Not very developed. The roads are all kind of like this, little alleyways. So here is our new home here. That colourful place back there. Got a basketball net as well. Filipinos love basketball. Hello. 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 All right, here we go. So this is our new home in the Philippines for quite a long time now. I think they extended the quarantine until the end of April, so that's going to be 3 weeks in this place. And we got it on Airbnb. They're giving it us for $20 a day. I think originally it was $50. Stuff in El Nido is more expensive than other places in the Philippines, but yeah, they gave it for $20. It's pretty much just this bedroom area here. Pretty nice bedroom. Bed looks pretty good. So through here we have the pretty big kitchen, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's gonna be good for us to cook our things. We're gonna save a lot of money.
Yeah. So you can see here we have this big gas canister. Can cook our food on here, so that's good. We got 2 big ones. They seem to have the majority of the pans and stuff, so we can cook. Looks like they left us some spices, and then obviously you got like the glasses and the dishes. Oh, we got a kettle here as well, so we can have some tea. And I guess we can fill this up with water as well. And in here, got a little fridge, so that's gonna be good to store stuff. Got an empty Jack Daniels, not good. Should be full. And then through here we have our tiny little toilet bathroom joined together. So not bad. And then what have they left for us here?
So this is our pocket Wi-Fi we're gonna be using.
Yeah, so we gotta go to the store in a few minutes to top it up, right?
Yes. And they left the pass because you need this to go to the grocery shop.
Yeah, so to go out we need to do this to do shopping, so yeah, they got that for us, so that's good. And we got a Lonely Planet Philippines travel guide. Not going to be using that very much.
No, not for now.
Yeah. And then let's check outside again. So here we have a nice little table here. And yeah, we like this spot because you have the garden area, so we can still kind of hang out outside, get some sunlight. Also got a barbecue there. And we got this little chess table. Me and Carol are going to start playing chess now. The local kids. So I'm going alone to the store. You're only supposed to go one person, so yeah, no groups of people. Carol gave me a list on the phone of stuff she wants me to buy, so I'm gonna see what they have. It's a very simple store here, so they probably don't have everything. It's very close though. It's only like a 30-second walk from our place, so very convenient. Look, and here it is, Rena store. Hello. So they have all sorts of different food here, loads of drink options. I think over here you got loads of different wines and stuff. And here's all the unhealthy noodles. Carol said we need to get the canned tuna. Probably get about 8 of these, I think. Oh, I got a dog as well. Hello there. Want some tuna. So I also got a big wine selection here. Carol wanted some white wine, so I think I'm gonna go for this. Donna Elena. I'm also gonna get some beer, so I'll probably go for the Red Horse extra strong and some San Miguel. Alright, so I just got back now, didn't film anymore because yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff to carry. So all this cost about 1,500, probably a bit more because I got all the alcohol. So I'll just show you everything that we got. So got some bread, Coca-Cola, got 1 kilogram of spaghetti here. I think there's 2 Gatorades, and also got some powdered milk, 3 of those. Carol's wine, got the Red Horse beer. I also got this other beer that I've never had, Cerveza Negra, made with roasted malt.
Is it Filipino or no?
I'm not sure, maybe. Yeah, Philippines, Manila, Philippines. And then besides that, oh yeah, I also got all these tuna things. And they only had one garlic.
Okay.
And then in here, I got 1 kilo of rice. That's what you asked for, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then I got 12 eggs.
Oh, you have the egg there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanted 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Carol just did her round of the shopping here. How much was all that, you know?
800.
800. So that takes our total to 2,300, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And what did you get?
This big water.
Yeah, big 6-liter water.
This bygone.
Oh, for insects.
Yes. This to make pancakes
Nice.
for breakfast.
Margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah, butter.
Spaghetti sauce.
Oh yeah, what is that? Parmesan cheese.
To wash our clothes.
Oh yeah, we'll need that. 2 packs.
Peas. Shiitake. I don't know.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Jam.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright. So you might be wondering where all the vegetables and fruit are. They don't really sell that in any of the stores here. You have to go to Korong Market, which is about a 40-50 minute walk from here. It's not that close, so I'm probably gonna head there tomorrow and try and buy it. So now it is time for cooking with Carol.
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna prepare pasta with tuna, tomato sauce, and tuna.
That's like all we have.
Yeah, basically, because we don't have the vegetables yet.
Yeah. You gonna put anything else in it, or?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Put some garlic. I wanted to put green peas, but we don't have bottle opener.
Yeah, can opener.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these cans all have these handy little handles to open, but not this one. So we'll have to find something to open this. So Carol has finished her masterpiece.
Yeah, it's ready.
So we got the juicy spaghetti, tuna, tomato feast. A lot of food. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the cerveza negra. This is actually San Miguel. I only just realized. And we got this nice little spot outside to eat. So time for the taste test. See if she did a good job. That's good, it's tasty.
Yeah.
You put quite a bit of salt, right?
I don't know.
You know?
Next time you do it, you put less salt.
No, it's good. I mean,
Okay.
the beer's really good as well. Maybe I even prefer it more than the regular San Miguel, the Pilsen. So that's it for this video. We're just gonna watch a series now, a new series. We're able to use this this table here as a good laptop stand to watch the series. We're gonna be watching Chernobyl. So I think it's like 5 or 6 episodes. We've been doing more mini-series, so I think the last one we watched was called Night Manager, a really good one. And now we're gonna watch this. A lot of you guys I think told us to watch Ozark on Netflix. That was the one that people mentioned the most, so yeah, since this is gonna drag on, maybe we'll end up watching that one as well. Carol's just gonna get drunk. No, I'm just joking. So yeah, we're gonna watch this now. And like I said yesterday, tomorrow I'm probably gonna head back into El Nido town because I need to head to the market and get vegetables. So probably gonna film that. It's gonna be interesting to see how El Nido is after yeah, after such a long time, I'm pretty sure it's way more deserted now. So last time we went there, it was already a ghost town. So we'll see how it is in that next video. So stay tuned for that. As always, just thanks for watching. Follow us on Instagram if you like to see what we're doing in real time. Subscribe to this channel if you like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.